Hello, welcome back to another Hume DIY video. I'm your host, Chris. Today, we're doing a review on Pestie. That's right, a pesticide that I've already made a video for. Go check that out. You can see me applying it and giving a little bit of update in it as well. But in this video, I wanted to give you all an update. It's been about 2 months from January 18th to now, which is August 9th. So it's been about 2 months since I applied Pestie to all the way around my house, and it's been really great. Overall, I'm happy with it, my wife's happy with it, and it's been great. Now, how many bugs have I seen since applying this pesticide? The first week of applying it, we had 1 or 2 bugs, which was like roaches and spiders. That's mainly what we get around here out in Texas, outside of Austin. But after that, we got no roaches. There's a couple of spiders every once in a while, but the ant problem that we had that was super disgusting was gone. The roaches were gone, and most of the spiders were gone too, unless they were probably stuck up in the attic. But we didn't see anything for at least a month. Now, it's been 2 months, and just now, a few days ago, we started to get a few roaches. Now, when I say a few, I mean like 1 or 2. There's been very little since we applied Pestie. Beforehand, we were seeing a lot of roaches, like 5 to 6 to 7 a night, and we would kill, 4 or 5 of them, and they would just come back during the night and try to eat us alive. But that went away once we applied. But now we're starting to see some roaches show back up. We haven't seen any ants. There was a huge spider in this house. My brother slept in the current room that I'm sitting in, and it was huge. And it's probably somewhere in this room still. But overall, it's been very few, but I'm expecting to see that pick up. Let's talk about the expectations of Pestie. Now, Pestie is supposed to hold off for 3 months. So you're supposed to get Pestie every 3 months and apply it 4 times a year. Yes, 4 times a year. And that actually is on par with another service that I use called Aptive. And Aptive is the same exact thing, except they come out to you, they apply it around your house, and it's 4 times a year. It's supposed to keep all the bugs out. I did that for maybe a year and didn't have really any problems, but I also didn't have near the amount of roaches that I do out here. And so it's kind of hard to compare them, but let's talk about pricing. What I used to use, Aptive, the service that came out, was $100 for a quarter. $100, so that's $400, plus taxes a year. Now, Pestie is way better. Pestie is $116 for 4 applications. That's $116 versus $400, if not more. That's a big difference. It's $300 you're saving just by doing it yourself, and it took me not a long time, maybe 20, 30 minutes, and I have a small house, but I went around it like 4 times. So you can do the same thing and save a ton of money. So 2 months passed by, and we're just now starting to see some roaches pop back up, and so in a month from now, I will reapply Pestie, and I should be good to go again. How bad will it get in the next month? I'm not sure. I'm expecting to see more, but I'm hoping it's not as bad as it was last time. So, is it worth it? Absolutely. It's worth the money, it's worth the time, and it's worth the results. So, this isn't sponsored in any way, but Pestie, if you want to sponsor me, hit my DMs, and that would be awesome. But, y'all should check it out. Thank y'all for watching. I appreciate y'all. Let me know in the comments if you've used Pestie and how it's worked out for you. So, once again, I'm Chris, this is Hume DIY channel, and thank you for watching. See you next time.